Uy, may pinakabagong Indian restaurant sa Bulacan, nasa Baliwag na. Sarap ng food nila, tara! Yo mga kanus, alam nyo ba ang nalaman ko? Kami napadpad dito sa second floor ng A Square Mall, DRT Highway, Barangay Pinagbarilan, Baliwag, Bulacan para mag-food trip sa Royal Indian Curry House. Yes, madami na silang branches sa Pilipinas at good news dahil dinala na nila ito finally sa Bulacan. Chefs nila mismo ay Indian nationals at most ng rekado ay imported from India, lalo na ang mga spices. Kaya masasabi mo na authentic ang mga food na sinaserve nila. Pati ang process how they prepare it, like sanaan, is gumagamit sila ng tandoor oven. Syempre, hindi mawawala sa mga natikman namin ang mutton biryani, which is rich and aromatic and deeply savory. Tapos yung mutton malambot, juicy and full-bodied. Tapos complementing pa yung raita. Butter chicken din nila, rich, creamy and mildly sweet na may onting sipa na anghang. Aromatic yung sauce. And yes, chicken is talagang malambot. Mutton chick kebab has smoky meaty taste na much better goes well with their chutney. Hakka noodles has good serving na malapansit sa atin. Samosa has crispy savory flavor, hearty and earthy lasa ng filling. For naan nila, meron silang garlic and cheese, which is panalo yung cheese and syempre rich expectation ng texture. While Galop Jamun has decadently sweet, soft, and syrupy dessert after a greasy and savory meal. And meron ding drinks na vanilla and rose lassi, tastes refreshing, creamy, and slightly tangy. Meron nga pala silang free wifi, may parking area, and this is their operating hours kung pupunta kayo. O ano pa hinihintay nyo kung naghahanap kayo ng authentic Indian restaurant, dito na kayo sa Royal Indian Curry House sa Baliwag, Bulacan. Let's go!